Situation in Port of Spain right now, they're doing a little cleanup. Right, city gate in a mess. No car come down here. So, all have to be careful. There's the road itself you're watching there.
Several parts of northwest Trinidad were left under mud and debris. People lost household possessions. Vehicles were swept away after an intense shower unleashed a fury of floodwater in Maraval, St. Anne's, Diego Martin and East Port of Spain on Tuesday. The downpour came in a flash starting at around 3 p.m. and ended about 45 minutes later. Traffic was backed up in several areas for hours after roads became impassable. At Simon Valley Road, St. Anne's, 5 families lost just about everything. Shirlema Kidd said the only items she managed to save were her cell phone, her daughter's tablet, chargers for the devices and a few other items. Cleanup operations were overseen by Port of Spain Mayor Joel Martinez, local government minister Kazim Hossain, and National Security Minister Fitzgerald Hines.